The beauty of natural materials. Nature has an innate ability to inspire and captivate. The textures, colors, and organic forms found in wood tree branches evoke a sense of tranquility and connection to the earth. Unlike synthetic materials, natural wood carries unique characteristics that tell a story. Each branch, with its knots, curves, and variations in color, becomes a one-of-a-kind piece of art. This individuality is highly coveted in today's design landscape, where personalization and authenticity are paramount. Aesthetic appeal. The visual appeal of wood tree branch decor is undeniable. The rich hues of wood, ranging from deep browns to light tans, can complement a variety of color palettes. The natural grain patterns and textures add depth and interest, making branches a perfect accent for any room. Whether used as a bold statement piece or a subtle addition, branches can enhance the overall aesthetic of a space. Connection to nature. In an increasingly urbanized world, many people seek to reconnect with nature within their homes. Wood tree branch decor serves as a bridge between indoor and outdoor environments, bringing the beauty of the natural world inside. This connection to nature promotes a sense of well-being and tranquility, creating spaces that are not only visually appealing but also psychologically beneficial. Versatility in design. One of the most remarkable qualities of wood tree branches is their versatility. They can be adapted to suit various design styles, from rustic and bohemian to contemporary and minimalist. This adaptability allows homeowners to incorporate tree branches into their decor in numerous ways. Rustic charm. For those who appreciate a rustic aesthetic, tree branches can be used to create warm, inviting spaces. They can be fashioned into furniture, such as coffee tables or chairs, or used as decorative accents, like wall hangings or coat racks. The raw, organic quality of branches enhances the charm of country-style homes and cabins, evoking a cozy, lived-in feel. Modern minimalism. Conversely, wood tree branches can also be integrated into modern and minimalist designs. Simple and clean lines, combined with the natural beauty of branches, create a striking contrast that can elevate a space. For example, a single branch displayed in a sleek vase can serve as a stunning centerpiece, highlighting the beauty of simplicity. Practical benefits. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, wood tree branch decor offers several practical benefits that make it an attractive choice for homeowners. Eco-friendly choice. As environmental consciousness grows, many individuals are seeking sustainable decor options. Wood tree branches are often sourced from fallen trees or pruned branches, making them an eco-friendly choice. By repurposing these natural materials, homeowners can contribute to sustainability efforts while enhancing their living spaces. Cost-effective. Tree branches are often readily available and can be collected for free, making them a budget-friendly decor option. Even when purchased, they tend to be less expensive than mass-produced decor items. This affordability allows individuals to experiment with their decor without significant financial investment. Unique character. In a world filled with mass-produced items, the uniqueness of wood tree branches stands out. No two branches are alike, ensuring that each piece of decor has its own character and charm. This individuality adds a personal touch to home decor, allowing homeowners to express their creativity and style. Creative opportunities. Wood tree branch decor opens the door to countless creative opportunities. From DIY projects to professional craftsmanship, the possibilities are limited only by one's imagination. DIY projects. Engaging in DIY projects can be a rewarding way to create personalized decor. Crafting with tree branches allows individuals to explore their creativity while producing unique pieces that reflect their style. Whether making wall art, centerpieces, or functional items like coat racks or shelving, the process of transforming branches into decor can be both enjoyable and fulfilling. Seasonal decor. Another exciting aspect of using wood tree branches is the ability to change decor with the seasons. For instance, branches can be adorned with seasonal elements, such as flowers in spring or ornaments in winter, allowing homeowners to refresh their spaces throughout the year. This adaptability fosters a dynamic environment that reflects the changing seasons. Wood tree branch decor is more than just a design trend, it is a celebration of nature, creativity, and individuality. The beauty and versatility of tree branches make them an ideal choice for enhancing any space, while their eco-friendly and cost-effective nature aligns with the growing desire for sustainable living. As we continue to seek connections to the natural world, incorporating wood tree branches into our homes offers a path to create warm, inviting, and personalized spaces that reflect our values and style. In the following sections, we will explore the various uses of wood tree branch decor in depth, providing inspiration and practical tips for incorporating these natural elements into your home. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or a newcomer to DIY projects, the world of wood tree branch decor holds endless possibilities waiting to be discovered. If you found inspiration in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow decor enthusiasts. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any project ideas you have, so drop your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafting tips and home decor inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, incorporating nature into your home can bring warmth and personality to your space. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.